मनस भजरे गुरु चरणम दुस्तर भ्रम सागर तरणम। मानस भजरे गुरु चरणम दुस्तर भव सागर तरणम। भजरे गुरु चरणम दुस्तर भव सागर तरणम। ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः। अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुण शिव। अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुण शिव। बाबा ओंकारं बाबा ओंकारं बाबा ओम नमो बाबा।
ओम श्री साई राम। गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। My humble pranams at the lotus feet of our beloved Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba. In this world, everything is a manifestation of divinity. Today, we are celebrating Guru Purnima. Today is a very important day for all spiritual aspirants, as this day is dedicated to our Guru. Who is a true Guru? Swami declares that a true Guru is one who illumines the path of divinity and who has no ego or selfishness. Purnima stands for cool full moonlight. Full moon stands for a mind with total illumination. We are all fortunate that the avatar of this age is our Sadguru. Let us express our gratitude and do Koti Pranams at the lotus feet of our beloved Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba. Today is also called Vyasa Purnima in respect to Vyasa Maharshi, who wrote the great epic Mahabharata. Now I pass this platform to Brother Sangamesh to proceed for the next part of the program. Jai Sai Ram.
Thank you, Brother Satvik. My humble pranams at the lotus feet of our beloved Sadguru, Sri Satya Sai Baba. I wish a very happy Guru Purnima and a loving Sai Ram to everyone. I am Sangamesh, a Bal Vikas alumni. A Guru is one who takes us from darkness to light. Let us begin the program by lighting of lamp. I request our district president, Sri Sundar sir, to light the lamp on this special occasion.
Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya.
Thank you, sir. Now let us pray for Lord Ganapati. I request our Balvikas Guru Dinesh Shastri sir for Ganesha Prarthana.
Shri Sai Ram. Happy Shri Guru Purnima, everybody. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvikhnam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Abhipsitartha Siddhyartham Pujito Yasurairapi Sarva Vighnachide Tasmai Shri Ganadhipataye Namaha. Om Shuklambaradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyaye Sarva Vighnopashantaye. Agajanana Padmarkam Gajanana Maharnisham Anekatam Tam Bhaktanam Ekadantamupasmahi. Ajam nirvikalpam nirakaramekam niranandamanandam advaita purnam param nirgunam nirvishesham niriham parabrahmarupam ganesham bhajema parabrahmarupam ganesham bhajema jagat karanam karanajnanarupam suradim sukhadim gunesham ganesham jagat vyapakam vishwavandyam suresham parabrahmarupam ganesham bhajema parabrahmarupam ganesham bhajema Gunatitamanam chidanandarupam chidabhasagam sarvagam jnanagamyam Munidhyayam akasharupam paresham parabrahmarupam ganesham bhajema parabrahmarupam ganesham bhajema Pranamya shirasa devam gauri putram vinayakam Bhaktavasam smare nityam ayushkamartha siddhaye Pradhamam vakratundam cha ekadantam dvitiyakam Tridiyam krishna pingaksham gajavaktram chaturthakam Lambodaram panchamancha shashtham vikatameva cha Saptamam vighnarajam cha dhumravarnam tatastamam Navamam phalachandram cha dashamam tu vinayakam Ekadasham ganapatim dvadasham tu gajananam Dvadashaitani namani trisandyam yappaden naraha Naja vighnavayam tasya sarvasiddhikaram prabho Vidyarthi labhate vidyam dhanarthi labhate dhanam Kamarthi labhate kamam moksharthi labhate gatim Japet ganapati stotram shadviramase palam labhed Samvatsarena siddhincha labhate natra samshayaha Ashtabhyo brahmanebhyascha likhittvaya samarpayet Tasya vidya bhave sarvashi ganeshasya prasadataha Om namo heramba madamodhita Mama sankashtan nivaraya hum phata swaha Om ganganapataye namo namaha Om Shrim Hrim Klim Glaum Ganganapataye Varavarada Sarvajananmeva Shamanaya namo namaha Mahaganapataye namo namaha Mangalamurti Moraya Toraya Ganapati Bappa Moraya Toraya Mahaganapati Pada Ravinda Govinda Govinda Om Shri Jai Sai Ram.
Thank you, sir. Now we'll be watching a Bharatanatyam performance on Shodashopacharagalu in Puja Vidhi by Balvikas student Ojas Kaushik, choreographed by Balvikas Guru Srimati Pallavi.
సమర్పయామి విశ్వాత్మకునకు ఆవాహనమిదే సర్వనిలయునకు ఆసనము నిన్నిది అలగంగాజనకునకు అర్ఘ్యపాద్యాచమనాలు జలధి సాయిగిరి మజ్జననిధి షోడశ కళానిధికి షోడశోపచారములు షోడశ కళానిధికి షోడశోపచారములు జాడకూడనిచ్చలును సమర్పయామి సమర్పయామి పరపీతాంబరునకు వస్త్రాలంకారమిదే సరి శ్రీమంతునకు భూషణములిది ధరణీధరునకు గంధ పుష్పధూపములు తిరమిదే కోటి సూర్య తేజునకు దీపము షోడశ కళానిధికి షోడశోపచారములు షోడశ కళానిధికి షోడశోపచారములు జాడతోడనిచ్చలు సమర్పయామి సమర్పయామి అమృతమధనునకు అదివో నైవేద్యము రవిచంద్రనేత్రునకు అమరిన శ్రీ వెంకటాద్రినీది దేవునికి అమరిన శ్రీ వెంకటాద్రినీది దేవునికి ప్రవితో ప్రదక్షిణాలు దండములు ఇదిగో షోడశ కళానిధికి షోడశోపచారములు షోడశ కళానిధికి షోడశోపచారములు జాడకూడనిచ్చలు సమర్పయామి సమర్పయామి.
Thank you, Ojas. We are completely filled with devotion by your performance. Now I request Srimati Kusuma Kumari Aunty, State Education Coordinator, to deliver few words on the importance of Guru Purnima.
Namo Namaha Shri Guru Padukabhyam. My humble pranams at the divine lotus feet of our beloved Lord Bhagavan Shri Satya Sai Baba Varu on this holy occasion of Shri Guru Purnima. Usually, the prayer we chant and ask for is Asatoma Sadgamaya. O Lord, lead me from untruth to truth. Who can bless us with this boon? It is only the Sadguru. He can guide us. As the Shloka Guru Brahma conveys, the Guru is the one who molds the personality of the disciple. That is why he is praised as Sakshat Parabrahma, that is the Supreme Godhead. Even our scriptures reveal that avatars like Sri Rama and Sri Krishna also went to Gurukula and learned under the great sages. Such is the greatness of Guru. Who is the Guru? It is he who reveals the Guri, that is the target. What is that? It is the Atmic principle. He guides and shows the way to realize that divinity within each one of us, and that is the purpose of taking human birth. A true Guru is the one who himself has attained self-mastery and realized the innate divinity. Such a Sadguru is the raft to reach the immortal world. Once, Sant Sabir Das was asked by his disciples, suppose Lord Rama and his Guru Sri Ramananda came together and stood before him, to whom would he bow down first? Sant Kabir answered that he would first do namaskar to the Guru only, as he was the one who showed him the path to God. Our scriptures declare that even one's mother is the first Guru. Sadguru may not come always in a human form. Even a book, a word, a look, nature and the universe, everything can become our gurus if we have the real sight to see them. Now, for the Sikhs, the Guru Bani are the voice of the Guru. In Guru Granth Sahib itself is their guide. For Lord Dattatreya, nature was the Guru. He could learn many valuable lessons by observing nature. Sadguru can transmit spiritual power even by a look. Why? He can illumine the disciples even through his silence. It was how Lord Shiva, assuming the form of Dakshinamurti, conveyed the message of Brahma Jnana to the Brahma Manasa Putras through silence. Sometimes the Guru can transform the disciples just by a word or a look. It was that happened in the life of Angulimala, a very cruel dacoit. A look, a word from Lord Buddha washed out all his animal and demonic feelings and kindled the light of love there. So such is the greatness of Sadguru. And one question, when will Sadguru enter our lives? It is only when there is yearning in the heart of a disciple to have a Guru, then only he will enter his life. Guru is the light. When the disciple completely surrenders himself, the Guru takes up that responsibility. That is why the Kannada song says, Karunalu ba belaki kai hididu nadesennanu. And Guru is beyond all the three gunas. He is the Gunatita and he is Rupavarjita, one who is formless. And only God can have these qualities. So, God is the universal Guru. Now, from time to time, God descends on earth to guide the mankind towards enlightenment, to make them walk on the right path. And here, He leads them from darkness to light, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, and by that He guides them to attain immortality, that is Mrityorma Amrutangamaya. Then there will be peace, peace, and only peace. Lord Krishna has declared in Bhagavad Gita that he would take birth from age to age. Sambhavami yuge yuge, he has declared. Now, true to that, Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba has descended on this earth in the human form, and we are all very blessed and extremely fortunate to be born in his time. And he is our Sanatana Sarathi. He has taken the responsibility of guiding us to reach our goal, that is peace, to realize the innate divinity within. So may he bless us all. Sai Ram.
Thank you, Auntie, for your valuable words. It was really inspiring. Now let us listen to the chanting of Guru Paduka Stotram. I call Balvika's alumni and Balvika's students, Sister Vaishnavi, Shivani, Niharika, Dhruti, Anupriya, Pavni, Lakshmi, Vidya, Brother Satvik and Prashant to chant the Guru Paduka Stotram. Thank you everyone. It was melodious. Now there will be chanting of Guru Shlokas by our Balvikas Gurus Indu Auntie, Trupti Auntie, Suvarna Auntie, Nayana Auntie, Priyanka Auntie, Hemalata and Usha Auntie.
अखण्डमण्डलाकारम् व्याप्तं येन चराचरम् तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। स्थावरं जङ्गमं व्याप्तं येन कृत्स्नं चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। चिद्रूपेण परिव्याप्तं त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। सर्वश्रुतिशिरोरत्नः विराजितपादाम्बुजः वेदान्ताम्बुजसूर्याय तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। चैतन्यः शाश्वतो शान्तो व्योमातीतो निरञ्जनः बिन्दुनादकलातीता तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ज्ञानशक्तिसमारूढः तत्त्वमाला विभूषिता भुक्तिमुक्तिप्रदाता च तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अनेकजन्मसम्प्राप्तः कर्मबन्धविदाहिने आत्मज्ञानप्रदानेन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः।
शोषणं भवसिन्धोश्च ज्ञापनं सारसम्पदा गुरुपादोदकं सम्यक् तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। न गुरोरधिकं तत्त्वं न गुरोरधिकं तपः तत्त्वज्ञानात् परं नास्ति तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः।
अन्नाथः श्रीजगन्नाथो मद्गुरुः श्रीजगद्गुरुः मदात्मा सर्वभूतात्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरुरादिरनादिश्च गुरुपरमदैवतं गुरोः परतरं नास्ति तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं निर्मलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि.
Thank you, Gurus. It was very divine. Now there is a presentation by Asha Aunty, Joint State Coordinator, Education Wing Karnataka, and Prerana Kulkarni Aunty, District Education Coordinator, Bangalore West, on Sri Satya Sai Baba Varu as our Guru, Paramaguru and Sadguru.
All. Yeah, Sairam Prerna, Sairam my dear Gurus and Sangamesh, Satvik, everyone. We offer our loving pranams at the lotus feet of our Divine Master. Loving Sairams to all. On this auspicious day, Vyasapurnima, we take the opportunity to welcome you all. Let us experience the bliss of our Lord. Now, let me start with a poem of our Swami. Here Swami says, I am not a man, nor am I an angel, nor a demigod.
I do not belong to any caste, be it Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya or Shudra. I am not a bachelor. I am not a householder. I am the teacher of truth.
Yes, I am the truth, auspiciousness and beauty. Satya Sai Chintana Sadivya Mano Nandana Satya Sai Sankirtana Divya Shakti Chetana Kama Krodha Lobha Matsarya Durvichara Nirmulana Satya Dharma Shanti Prema Bhavya Frodaya Samstapana. Here, Swami is telling, I am truth, auspiciousness and beauty. We are going round and round the orbit of Shadripus, Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada and Matsarya, an orbit we have created. Just break it out and come out of these negativities.
Yes, exactly. The next few lines say, Satya, Dharma, Shanti, Prema, Ahimsa, the human values. The pillars of the Satya Sai education will definitely help to come out. We need a guru. We are blessed to have Swami as our Paramaguru.
Yes, Prerna, exactly you said it. Today we are celebrating Guru Purnima. Purnima means full moon day. Let us try to know the meaning of this beautiful word Guru. Gukaro Gunatita, Rukaro Rupavajita. One who is attributeless and formless is a true Guru. A Guru is necessary to make you understand the formless, attributeless divinity. Since it is difficult to get such Gurus these days, consider God as our Guru.
Guru is Brahma, Guru is Vishnu, Guru is Maheshwara. Guru is verily Parabrahma, Sadguru. Swami says the first Guru is the mother, the second is the father, who is admired by the child for his strength and knowledge, and feared for the punishments he inflicts. Next is the teacher, who leads him and guides him into the maze of material knowledge. But the Guru means spiritual preceptor alone can open the inner eye and cleanse the inner instruments of intuition. God is the only Guru in this world. Everything is the manifestation of divinity. All are the embodiments of divinity. In fact, all that you see is nothing but the divine. Sahasrashirshaha Purushaha Sahasraksha Sahasrapada. Divinity pervades everything.
Yes, beautiful, Prerna. To experience His omnipresence, to lift us, sadhana to be very necessary. Here, I would like to share an incident, the beautiful incident of sweet relationship between Swami and his students. A Sai student, this boy was immersed in sadhana but was unable to experience the omnipresence of Lord. Then he requested and prayed Swami, Swami, please guide me. You are my Guru. Oh, our compassionate Swami placed his divine hands on his head. Oh, now he experienced a great joy. He could see Swami everywhere, all the devotees, each and every one, even the pillars were Swami. He was in state of bliss. He was in such a state of bliss for 3 days. Fourth day, he was normal as before. Then he was disappointed. He prayed Swami, why this Swami? Then Swami says, you should have no other thought. Love him. All thoughts, all actions will get diminished. This reminds me of a song, Prerna. Love is my form, truth is my breath. Please sing my song. When all actions are done in the spirit of dedication to the divine and with recognition of one's own divinity, they become sanctified. Make God as your Guru. When you say you are doing sadhana, you should have a goal. Guru is one who shows Guri or goal.
It's Asha. Swami says, give up egoism. Have strong faith. You will be blessed by the vision of truth. God. Engage in sadhana with mind study in the midst of fortune, good or bad.
Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam sharanam vraja aham tvam sarva papebhyo mokshayishyami ma shuchah.
Swami also says, you are not mere creature of the 5 elements. You are a spark of myself. You are divinity, fragments of my eternal self. Swami also says, in ancient times, a guru could be found only with great difficulty. They were so rare and precious. Again, I say we are blessed to have Swami as our Guru, moving God with us. We are His divine instruments to be chosen by Lord Himself.
Mamaivamsho jivaloke jivabhuta sanatanaha, as Lord Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita. Okay. Now Swami says in one of his Guru Purnima discourses, there is only one Guru, he is God. That Guru is within you. You are seeking the Guru all over the world. Entire bliss lies in unity. Unity leads to purity. Purity leads to divinity. Do not get divided. Prerna?
Yes, sister, there will be peace and harmony in the world, in the universe. Visible world is matter. The invisible is consciousness, is being energy. Matter plus energy equals to divinity. Color of the glass decides the color of the sight. Our emotions color our vision. Develop the vision of love.
Yes. Let us say Sairam with a small story. Our teacher of biology was teaching about DNA. It is self-replicating material carrier of generic information in chromosomes present in all organisms. It is responsible for bringing the qualities and characteristics between parents and children. Prerna?
Yes, okay. A project was assigned to the children. Teacher said, bring pictures of your mother, grandmother, grandparents. Prepare project on similarities you carry.
Yes, you must have seen the faces of the children. Great day for the children. The projects were bought and the projects were done beautifully. A student says, Ma'am, I sing so beautifully like my mom. I got the genes from my mother. Oh, and so on, as you know, the children, how they speak. Finally, teacher appreciated, gave big hands to all, and she said, Dear children, basically we are all children of God. In biology, DNA stands for deoxyribose nucleic acid. Yes, exactly. In Satyasai education, it is also divine natural attributes. Children,
The,
we are full of love, righteousness, and devotion. We are the children of loving God.
the light of divine is within you. Vedanta proclaims, knower of Brahman becomes Brahman himself.
Yes, Prerna, our loving Sairams to our Sadguru, Divine Master, Sri Satya Sai Baba. प्रेम ईश्वर है ईश्वर प्रेम है let us try our best to carry this message of our divine master. Sairams to all dear gurus and all.
Sairam to all gurus.
शीतलचरणं कोमलचरणं मञ्जुलचरणं मम गुरुचरणं मृदुलचरणम् अनुग्रहचरणं सद्गुरुचरणं सदा स्मरामि प्रेमदाता साई गुरुनाथा पावनचरणं सदा भजामि पावनचरणं सदा भजामि शीतलचरणं कोमलचरणं मञ्जुलचरणं मम गुरुचरणम्.
Sairam.
Thank you, Asha Aunty and Prerana Aunty. It was a very beautiful presentation. Now, there will be Guru Bhajans by our Balvikas Guru, Srimati Priya Shivram, Srimati Priya Bala, Srimati Priya Sujit, Srimati Sharvari, and Srimati Mithila Kulkarni, and Brother Satvik.
गुरुदेवा करुणारमणा श्री गुरुदेवा शेषारमणा सद्गुरुदेवा शेषारमणा सद्गुरुदेवा करुणारमणा श्री गुरुदेवा भवभयहरणा श्री साई देवा भवभयहरणा श्री साई देवा 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 भवभयहरणा श्री साई देवा गुरु है सच्चित आनंद देवा गुरु है सच्चित आनंद देवा आनंद देवा श्री साई देवा आनंद देवा श्री साई देवा करुणारमणा श्री गुरुदेवा
गुरुदेवा गुरु गोविंदा गुरुदेवा गुरु गोविंदा गुरुदेवा गुरु गोविंदा गुरुदेवा गुरु गोविंदा मंदर गिरिधर शिरडी पुरीश्वर मंदर गिरिधर शिरडी पुरीश्वर मंदर गिरिधर शिरडी पुरीश्वर मंदर गिरिधर शिरडी पुरीश्वर जय पतीश्वर साई शिवा जय पतीश्वर साई शिवा जय पतीश्वर साई शिवा जय पतीश्वर साई शिवा गुरुदेवा गुरु गोविंदा गुरुदेवा गुरु गोविंदा सुंदर रूप श्री साई देवा सुंदर रूप श्री साई देवा सुंदर रूप श्री साई देवा सुंदर रूप श्री वैदेही मोहन नारायणा वैदेही मोहन नारायणा वैदेही मोहन नारायणा वैदेही मोहन नारायणा गुरुदेवा गुरु गोविंद गुरुदेवा गुरु गोविंद मंदर गिरिधर शिरपुरीधर मंदर गिरिधर शिरपुरीधर जय पतीश्वर साई शिवा जय पतीश्वर साई शिवा गुरुदेवा गुरु गोविंद गुरुदेवा गुरु गोविंद सुंदर रूपा श्री साई देवा 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 वैदेही मोहन नारायणा 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 गुरुदेवा गुरु गोविंद जय साई गुरुदेवा साई गुरुदेवा 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 गुरु सेवा बिना निर्वाण नहीं जय साई गुरुदेवा गुरु सेवा बिना निर्वाण नहीं जय साई गुरुदेवा जय साई गुरुदेवा साई गुरुदेवा जय साई गुरुदेवा साई गुरुदेवा तुम्ही हो माता पिता तुम्ही हो साई गुरुदेवा तुम्ही हो माता पिता तुम्ही हो साई गुरुदेवा सत्य स्वरूपा राह दिखाओ साई गुरुदेवा सत्य स्वरूपा राह दिखाओ साई गुरुदेवा गुरु सेवा बिना निर्वाण नहीं जय 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 साई गुरुदेवा जय साई गुरुदेवा साई गुरुदेवा जय साई गुरुदेवा साई गुरुदेवा गुरु सेवा बिना निर्वाण नहीं जय साई गुरुदेवा सेवा बिना निर्वाण नहीं जय साई गुरुदेवा तुम्ही हो माता पिता तुम्ही हो साई गुरुदेवा तुम्ही हो माता पिता तुम्ही हो साई गुरुदेवा सत्य स्वरूपा राह दिखा साई गुरुदेवा सत्य स्वरूपा राह दिखाओ साई गुरुदेवा गुरु सेवा बिना निर्वाण नहीं जय 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 साई गुरुदेवा जय साई गुरुदेवा साई गुरुदेवा पुरीशा प्रशांति वासा सद्गुरु
Thank you, Gurus, for your most melodious and devoted bhajans. Now we'll conclude the program by offering to the lotus feet of our beloved Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba. Finally, we have Mahamangalarati by our district president Sundar sir and Aarti program by our Balvikas Gurus. Sai Ram.
ॐ जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आवतारवा ओम जय जगदीश हरे मातपिता गुरुदेव मरियन्तयुनीवे स्वामी मरियन्तयुनीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्राशयना ओम जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंदुको मंगल आरती अंदुको मंदर गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति शांति शांति
जय बोलो भगवान श्री श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।